Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install a basic MOSFET in your AEG. If you have any question, please write it down in the comment section and don't forget to give a like or dislike to this video. I got this MOSFET from an online store in Indonesia. It came with a T-plug and 3 wires, red, black and blue. For the tools and materials, we will need a soldering iron, wire cutter, wire stripper. In this case, I'm using a scissor and heat shrink. Also, we need the lighter. The first step is to measure the length of the T-plug to the gearbox. Make sure that those wires are longer than the buffer tube of your AEG. In my case, I'm going to make it extra longer because I'm using a battery pouch in my stock. Make sure that when you pull the T-plug, these 3 wires have the same length. First, we're going to put the blue wire, the red, and the last is the black wire. The blue wire goes through the gearbox and it ends in the switch assembly. The red wire goes to the front hole of the motor grip. Meanwhile, the black wire goes to the back. Make sure to bend them so we can know the position of the wire. When the length is right, we are going to cut the blue wire. So, do not throw away the remaining blue wire because we are going to need it for the switch assembly. We are going to connect the blue wire and the metal in the switch assembly with a soldering iron. You can actually choose any side, but here I'm going to choose the metal near to the left side of the gearbox shell to make the wiring easier. Next, we are going to connect the remaining blue wire from one side of the switch assembly to the middle of the red wire. I choose to connect the blue wire here. So I'm going to cut the edge of the red wire and connect the blue wire with the red one. Next, I'm going to insert the motor connectors. Before closing the gearbox, please test the MOSFET with a LiPo battery and a motor. If it spins, then the MOSFET is working. Now put other components and you are good to go. Make sure that you have shim properly. Okay, I think that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.